Hi guys, this is Nidhi and in this video I will be showing you how I created this blue smoky eye makeup look using this eyeshadow palette from Lotus Make-Up. This is called Lotus Eco Stay Velvet Eyeshadow Palette and the shade is called Moonlight. So this is how the palette looks. Well, let me open it and show you guys the beautiful shades. So these are the 4 shades that you get in this eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, there's this white shade which can be used as a highlighter, and then there are these 2 beautiful blue shades and a charcoal black shade here. Okay, so these are the 4 shades. I'm going to swatch this and show you how beautiful and velvety these shades are. So look at this, guys. And I absolutely love this one. So as the name says, Eco Stay Velvet Eyeshadow, well, these shades are absolutely velvety and they blend very easily. Also, it comes with this small brush. So there are these 2 sides of the brush. There is this flat side which can be used to apply the eyeshadow and the other side can be used for blending it. Okay, and also talking about this eyeshadow palette, well, this is a vegan product. It's 100% vegetarian, it's cruelty free, and these eyeshadows, as I said, they are very easily blendable. They stay very long on your eyes and they don't fade away and they don't crease. This is a beautiful palette if you want to create smoky eyes, something like this. You can also create black smoky eyes using this palette. I have done a blue smoky eye here. So let's get started with the video and see how I created this look using this eyeshadow palette from Lotus Make-Up and a lot of other products from Lotus Make-Up. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm taking this dark blue shade here first and applying this on my crease. So just blending this shade on the crease just to define my crease. Now I'm taking this blue shade, this gorgeous shade, and applying it all over my eyelid. Wow, I love this color. It's so beautiful. And also guys, it's highly pigmented. It's blending really easily. I just dipped my brush once in the eyeshadow and look at the intensity of the color. It's very beautiful. So right now I'm just applying this shade. I'll blend it once I am done applying it on both my eyes. I'm going back to this shade, this darker blue. Again with the same brush, I am again applying that shade little on the crease and just blending these 2 shades together. Okay, so now I'm taking this lighter shade which can be used as a highlighter shade. I am taking this and applying it in the inner corners. You can also use your finger to blend this. After this, I'm taking this shade, this charcoal black shade, and I'll be applying it very close to my lash line, just like an eyeliner. So just blending it here with the help of a pencil brush. So next I'm using this mascara from Lotus Make-Up. It's called Max Lash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. Now the good part about this mascara is firstly it's waterproof, and secondly, you know, the wand of this mascara, it's really thin, and that is why it gets very easy to reach out the inner corner and apply mascara. Usually, you know, if the wand is very thick, it's very difficult to apply mascara in the inner lashes and they usually get left out. So that is not the case with this mascara. It's very easy to apply it even in the inner corners. Now I'm taking this eye pencil from Lotus Make-Up. It's called Eco Stay Kajal, and this one is smudge proof and waterproof, and it stays up to, you know, like 10 hours without getting smudged. So applying this kajal now in my waterline. How beautiful. Okay, let's go back to the eyeshadow palette now, and taking this deep blue color which we applied on the crease, I am taking this color and smudging this here in my lower lash line. Mascara in the lower lashes. Alright, so now finishing this look with this lip plumper. So this one is called Pro Edit Lip Plumper Plus Lip Gloss, and the shade that I'm using is Sun-Kissed Beige. Well, this Lotus Makeup Lip Plumper gives a beautiful shiny texture and a plumped effect to the lips, which lasts very long. And also this particular shade is something which will go with all skin types. So here guys, this is my final look. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as I mentioned at the starting of the video, it's very easy to create this look. So get this palette and create this beautiful eye makeup look using this palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this beautiful blue eye makeup look. I will see you guys soon with more and more videos. So thank you so much for watching this.